So hello everyone, today we'll do one question, number of bathrooms and bedrooms. So in this question we have to find average number of bathrooms and bedroom for each city's property type, output along with the city name and property type. So let's see the columns, and we have city and property type. We want bathrooms and bedrooms. So select city, property type, and we'll do average of bathrooms as average bathrooms, average bedrooms as average bedrooms from what's the table name, Airbnb search detail, and we'll use a group by clause, group by city and property type. We'll run this. Expected output. So our first 5 rows are matched: Chicago, NYS, Boston, FSFS, house, apartment. Yes, we'll submit, and our output is correct. Hope this question was clear. Thank you.